Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix your headphone jack problem in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro. So if you're facing any kind of headphone jack problem in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your headphone jack problem in your device.